Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening settings and authenticating with your passcode, Face ID, or Touch ID so you can change secure options. Once done, tap Face ID and passcode or Touch ID and passcode, depending on your iPhone, because that panel controls what appears on the lock screen. Make sure to scroll down within that screen until you see the Allow Access When Locked section. You need that visible to toggle features off. This step gives you direct control over lock screen access, which is why we now, in the Allow Access When Locked section, locate Control Center and switch it off, tap the toggle so it's disabled. You do this because disabling Control Center prevents anyone from pulling down or up the panel when the phone is locked, blocking quick toggles and potential privacy leaks. After toggling, lock your device and test by attempting the swipe gesture. The Control Center should not appear. If it still appears, return to Settings and double-check you changed the right passcode panel. Finish by locking the phone and verifying Control Center no longer opens. This confirms the change took effect. If it still appears, restart the device. Sometimes system state needs a reboot. Make sure there are no device management profiles or parental controls that override your setting. Those can re-enable features. If problems continue, update iOS, then reapply the toggle in passcode settings. These steps resolve most issues. If nothing works, consider contacting support, but usually a restart or profile check fixes it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.